Here, Ava, let's put on a blue glow stick. Okay. What do you think? I love it, but where are the fireworks? They're right here. Oh my God! Actual fireworks! Yeah! Yay! They're setting off. Oh my God! This is the best day in my life. Oh my God, Ava, you're my firework. Hooray! I love being your firework, Mommy. Look how beautiful. And they're setting off just for you. Just for me? Yes, just for you, my little 4th of July baby. Here, let's make you official 4th of July. Look at that, Ava. What colors are you wearing? Red, white, and blue. Yeah. So what order do you have them in? Blue, red, and white. Since I don't know why, but I just decided to do it. I love you, baby girl. Mwah! I love these fireworks, Mommy. I know. Mwah. Hi. Hey, Evie. Here, let me get you red, white, and blue bracelets. Red, white, and blue. Here you go, Evie. Time to put them on, and it's time to enjoy the fun. There you go, Evie. I like using them as bracelets instead of necklaces. You do? Yeah. I like necklaces. They look really cute. I know. Whoa! Ava, come here. Look at them going off over here. Whoa! Oh my gosh, I love this day so much. I love you, 4th of July. Yay! All right, calm down. Let me see them fireworks. Here, Evie. Gotta put your bracelet.